Hi, my name is Jay Davis. I'm a welding instructor here at Shasta College. I am also a certified welding inspector. My objective is to demystify what does it mean to be a certified welder. Does it mean that you are a golden armed welder in every welding process there is? No, it does not. Does it mean that you have the knowledge behind the science and metallurgy of all welding processes? No, it does not. What it means is that you have successfully proven that you are consistent for welding a particular process and material within a particular type of structure. And what does it mean to you? And what I want to explain to you is what is it going to do for you to become certified through learning how it operates and how it's used within the industry. Now, there are 3 documents that are involved in becoming a certified welder. There's a WPS, and that stands for a Welding Procedure Specification. And what that is, what that document is, it's a recipe. So as welders, when we go and weld on something critical like a bridge or a building or a piping structure, we don't just guess what the settings are for that particular process. We're going to be given a recipe on what to set our amperage, what to set our wire feed speed if applicable, so that we have a consistent weld when we're done. That's called a recipe. There's also a PQR, which is a procedure qualification record, and that's a document that proves that recipe is valid and works. And then finally, what's really important to you is what's called a WQTR, and that's a welding qualification test record. That certifies that you, the welder, have proven through testing, destructive testing, that you are able to produce a consistent and sound weld. Now, why do we do it? Well, consistency and accountability are 2 of the main factors why certification exists. We have welding codes, like this is D1.1 structural welding code, that is used by contractors and is mandated by law to be used by contractors. And so when the government is saying, hey, by law, we have to build all of these buildings and bridges in a safe and sound manner, that requires you to be certified so that we can consistently weld them and so that we can be safe within the industry. When you become certified, those certifications last for a finite period of time and you have to upkeep them. And that's what you'll do in your career. So being a certified welder is going to make you more employable within the industry. So you can become certified through a company that you work at, but you can also become certified prior, and that makes you more of a commodity within the industry. Jobs governed by code. That's these books that we're talking about, again, this particular code. And there are as many codes as there are stars in the sky. And I get this a lot with welders. They want to come in and they say, Jay, I want to get every single welding certification that exists. I'm telling you right now that's impossible. Here at Shasta College, we're going to focus you on a foundation of welding certifications within the program to be successful. Are you welding on bridges with a wire process or a stick welding process? Those are individual certifications. So you have to look at what's going to get you the best bang for your investment of knowledge and time so that you can market yourself. That's what we're here to do, to lay a foundation of knowledge in this program to allow you to certify. Shasta College here is an accredited testing facility for the American Welding Society. All of our instructors are certified welding inspectors and are able and really looking forward to helping you become a certified welder here at Shasta College. My name is Jay Davis here at Shasta College in the welding department, and if you're interested in learning more about becoming a certified welder, see a counselor. We'll be happy to get you started, and we're all excited to share our knowledge with you.